Hey ULP, today we're talking about Hondo and Syrup, and I need your help to pick which pool I'm investing in. We'll break it down together. I'll explain what these real-world asset tokenization projects are, why this topic is a game changer, and most importantly, I'll give you the exact tools and methods to jump into two useful pools. Check this out. Syrup's pool is currently booming at 394% in real time. So let's see what it's all about. Syrup is part of the real world asset tokenization space. It used to be called Maple. Essentially, it lets institutional investors offer loans, but the loan contract is recorded on the blockchain. We're using blockchain for what it's made for, a huge tamper-proof ledger that locks all transactions. It's on-chain, immutable, and unchangeable. Basically, it connects institutions directly with companies, enabling straightforward, transparent loan contracts since the collateral is always visible to both parties. This ensures accountability and reduces risk significantly. It's a perfect use of blockchain technology. And look, the market knows it. Syrup's price jumped from 13 cents to 43 cents. We're seeing a slight pullback now, but we're buyers betting this can hit $2. Still room to 4x. It's a very promising project showing clear signs of strong growth potential. Tokenizing real world assets, like you mentioned. Listen, look at the property world. Traditionally, you had to go to a notary to sign your transactions and get your property title. That's the potential here. The market's worth 2.9 billion in 2023. By 2030, it's expected to hit 20 trillion in tokenized assets. In short, it's the new way to own property using blockchain. And big players know it. JPMorgan, the world's top bank, after doing proofs of concept, just signed their first public deal on the Hondo blockchain. We'll talk about that next, along with Chainlink. Chainlink's the protocol that fetches the data to ensure that when the contract is signed between parties, all info matches the real-time data tied to the deal. That's Chainlink's power. Check out the project. And Hondo, it's simply the blockchain that's cracked the code on security and speed, making sure you're exactly at the nanosecond when the contract's signed, in full transparency with what's happening in the real world while signing a contract on the blockchain. It's amazing. Yeah, listen, it's not over yet. After JP Morgan, we have HSBC in Hong Kong. When I say this is a game changer, real utility tokenization, this is real, it's happening right now, and I believe we can't miss this chance. To wrap up, in Dubai, they announced with Ledger that they're tokenizing real estate. And there's Kraken too, a centralized exchange letting you buy shares of real world companies like Airbus, Tesla, Apple directly through your crypto wallet. So the two worlds are merging. Blockchain and crypto are definitely the future of finance, and tokenizing real assets makes it happen. But let's get to the serious stuff. So here we are on Syrup. You can see Syrup's price has gone up nicely. Since this is a Syrup pool with Ethereum instead of USD, we select Ether to show the price combining Syrup and Ether assets. It's clear Syrup rose again against Ether, and Ether is catching up now. Let's switch to daily. To me, there's a great opportunity with a wide range between 0.99 and 0.18. That's what we'll set up on this pool. So here carefully is how we proceed exactly. I have the price in Ethereum. I'm not going to put it in percentage, but in price. 0.75 is too high, so we'll go up to 0.98 instead. It's showing me an IPR of 265% for this kind of pool, which is quite impressive. There you go. We know Ethereum will hit 4,000. It's at 2,500 now. Syrup could climb to 2R. It's at 0.40. Two solid assets, etc. Let's check the correlation. Correlation means making sure both assets move in price simultaneously. Syrup and Ethereum sit at 0.86, that's all green. Also, Hondo and Ethereum are at 0.63, a bit lower in correlation, but let's check this pool anyway. Now, on Hondo Ethereum, I see a nice TVL with $11.1 million locked, meaning people like you and me, they offer to deposit their funds into the liquidity pools, and every time there's a trade, they earn the fee, which generates the yields, the LPRs we just saw. So here I'm quoting the price in Ondo Ethereum since I'm in this pool. I switch to daily and I clearly see Ondo has dropped against Ethereum. So Ondo to me is a project that's going to hit $10. Right now it's barely $1. Clearly it's perfect timing. We see the news with projects coming from JPMorgan and HSBC is developing solutions on this chain. So I can tell you that Hondo is going to boom. For me, I'm going full Hondo over Ethereum in this pool. I'll aim for a low price near 0.35 because I think it'll quickly rise to 0.38. Right now, it's around 0.035, 0.038, which is perfect. Plus, the yield is a sweet 115%. That means my capital grows. And while it does, I'll also be making consistent regular exchange fees from the trades happening in this very active pool. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to learn more about this exciting space, we have the Crypto Liquidity Club where we train people to access liquidity pools effectively. There's a friendly chat to connect with crypto enthusiasts like us and exchange valuable insights regularly. Hurry, it's 48 euros for a few more days, then jumps to 100 euros starting June 1st. I'll let you make your choice and especially tell me in the comments what you'll pick between Ondo and Syrup and what you think about asset tokenization of real world assets. For me, this story has some great surprises, solid yields, and nice gains ahead. Take care, and I'll see you soon in the community. Bye.